Well, hello guys. Look at what I have discovered. I'm coming over to do the locking down cruise and walked and drove up on this. The St. Louis. Ooh, I gotta get back because we take off at 10:30. But I am like, oh my goodness. I hope everything, because I'm trying to see with the sun in my eyes. But this is the Viking River Cruiser. Hi. Look at that. This is the first time I've ever been down here and seen it. I don't know which cruise this is, so it's, well, we know this is a Mississippi River. I can't hang out long because I need to be getting back and getting on my own. But yes, so I can prove this is us. Here go the Gateway Arch. Hi. Are you on the Viking?
No.
Oh, okay.
You are?
No, I'm live here. I'm getting ready to do the locking down cruise.
Okay.
So that's a 5-hour cruise.
This one?
This one. So it's a 5-hour cruise. So I'm getting ready to do that one.
Nice.
Yes, it's my second time doing it. I love it. Yes. Have a good day. Whew. So let me go over here and get on my own cruise. Alright, y'all have a blessed day. This is Hanging with Eldoran, St. Louis. Hanging in and out of St. Louis with Eldoran.